the true promise, understanding, swear on one's life. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very powerful phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. Swear on one's life. This expression is rich in emotion and significance, so let's break it down together and understand what it really means to use it. When someone says they swear on their life, they are making a very serious promise or assurance. The phrase indicates that the speaker is so certain about their statement or commitment that they would stake their own life on its truth or importance. It's a way of saying, I am 100% confident in what I'm saying, and I'm willing to risk the most valuable thing I have, my life, to prove it. This expression is often used in emotional or intense situations where the speaker wants to convey their sincerity and the depth of their commitment. It's more common in dramatic contexts rather than everyday casual conversations. Here are a few examples of how it might be used. In a moment of conflict or accusation, someone might say, I swear on my life, I didn't do it, to strongly assert their innocence. To emphasize the seriousness of a promise, like, I swear on my life, I will protect you. Remember, because this phrase carries so much weight, it should be used sparingly and only in situations where you truly mean to make a significant commitment or assurance. It's important to note that swear on one's life can have different levels of significance depending on the cultural context. In some cultures, swearing on one's life might be considered a sacred vow, not to be taken lightly. In others, it might be seen as a more figurative expression used to convey sincerity without the literal intention of risking one's life. Understanding the cultural nuances can help avoid misunderstandings when using or interpreting this phrase, especially in multicultural settings or international communications. We hope this exploration of the phrase, swear on one's life, has been enlightening. It's a powerful expression that speaks volumes about the seriousness and sincerity of the speaker's intentions. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to convey deep emotions and commitments, making our communications richer and more meaningful. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our future videos. Stay curious, and happy learning!